All right, so I've been working on the garage. I'm not completely done with it, but I have done a good amount of difference. So this back wall, we'll show some before pictures, used to have two big racks on it. It was full of crap. Over here on this wall, we've moved everything that was over there, tried to reorganize it. You can see I've got my detailing section over here, which is pretty nice. And I wanted to get a new shop vac. So I did some research, I looked around, and I saw that the Bissell Garage Pro is available. Now the question is, where do I mount it? She wants me to mount it right here, which is a possibility. I was also thinking about kind of hiding it away back here, but then it's going to be harder to reach. And unfortunately, all of my plugs I've got 3 plugs in here. One here, one over here by the water heater, and another one over here. The other spot would be over here by the door, but then that takes away some of my other storage space. So I think I will take the wife's suggestion and put it right here. So I guess the first step is to unbox this monster and see just how big it is. Let's unbox the Garage Pro from Bissell. Some crap, some manuals. We've got 30 feet of hose. That's not too bad. I read some other reviews that this hose was kind of cheap. Yeah, I mean, it's not the best thing in the world, but yeah, this is going to work nicely. We got more packing. More packing. My goodness. This box is way bigger than the unit. So basically, we've got this here unit C, and we're going to slap it up on the wall and plug it in, make it all pretty, and show you that process. Now let's see what else is in this box. Got a bag to put some things. More packing. I think that's it. Accessories. There's got to be a mounting bracket in here somewhere. Let's see what the old instructions say. User guide. Where is the mounting bracket? Oh, accessories packed inside. Well, that's a nice handle to take this off with. Well, I think I found my mounting bracket, so that's nice. Move this out of the way. Pretty good size screws. This looks like it's going to be pretty simple. The question is, do I have a stud? Looking for my stud finder. In front of me where? Where? This? No, that's a network cable thingy.
Oh, is it orange?
No, hey, it's right here, stud finder. Looking for a stud, looking for a stud. And there's no studs in here. Wait a minute. Boop! Found one. Oh, you hear that? See, all these other holes were for something else that I tried that didn't work out the way I expected it to. All right, now that it's all done, let's pull the car back in. This was really simple to install. It's really taking it out of the box, putting a bracket onto the wall. There were a couple of reviewers that say that this is pretty worthless, and I could see why. I will go out and get a $5 hose that's a little bit wider that will allow us to put this hose in here. But we got a lot of hose. Flip it on, really simple. It's not too loud. And then yes, it picks up dirt. So we'll play with this a bit, make sure the suction's good enough. I think it'll work. And now we can start doing some interior detailing videos. Subscribe. Keep going.